Well, this is a disclaimer, but later in this episode, we're gonna see how 13 and 14-year-olds earned enough to buy a Rolls Royce for themselves. Yeah, Rolls Royce. A freaking Rolls Royce. Hello, investors. Welcome back to Stock Talks of Tuesdays. I am your host, Zoran Dalani. So let's get right into it. Today's episode is on market trends. Market trends is something you see quite often, isn't it? It depends on the weather, sports, time of the year, festivals, company meetings, disasters. Yes, disasters. Don't worry, you'll understand it in no time. So, what are market trends? Market trends are a certain trend which affect the prices of stocks. Okay, let me explain it to you through a simple example. Imagine there is a flood in your country, that I hope there is not. Many houses will be damaged. People will have to obviously remake their homes, therefore, the sales of the construction buildings will increase. People will invest into that segment of the market. This creates a market trend. A trend is the overall direction of a market or an asset's price. Technically, trends are identified by trend lines or a price action that highlight when the price is making higher swing highs and higher swing lows for an uptrend, or lower swing lows and lower swing highs for a downtrend. Market trends can be either good or bad. It won't be too difficult to know, obviously. If it is bad or good, like obviously, if the price increases, it is a good place to invest in. If the price decreases, it is a bad place to invest in. Obviously, that is what you simply would do. But what happens over here is that the prices would increase for a certain amount of time or would decrease for a certain amount of time. That's what makes market trends different from normal stocks. Usually these stocks aren't a good investment as they are guaranteed going to decrease in price unless there's the tiny bit chance that they won't, which is still very very tiny. Let me make sense of this. Last year, there was a very funny yet interesting trend seen in the prices of the stock GameStop. The stock had gotten famous on the stock market forum Wall Street Bets. One person had posted a post about this specific stock and that led to a million other investors buying in the stock. Don't ask me how that happened. The stock skyrocketed after that. Many people became millionaires by buying that stock. Most of the people were kids on that stock forum, so even little kids earned some big bucks by following Reddit page. Like wow, that is a heck of a luck. So now what are we gonna see? 13-year-olds roaming around in Porsches and Lamborghinis in Wall Streets? But fortunately, this money of theirs, which they had earned, not hard earned, will go to their education. So good for all. Well, this was market trends for you. The most volatile investment to make in the stock market. Thank you for listening to this week's Stock Talks of Tuesday. See you in the next one.